Hello, you two. We are going to continue looking at addition today for maths, and what we're going to actually specifically look at is addition word problems. So we're going to have a look at some word problems together. Now, I thought I'll just give you a look at this. This is just a little example of the kind of words that you will see in word problems for subtraction and for addition. Now, today we're only going to really work with addition. We're going to do a little bit of subtraction, but mainly addition. You can see words like more, total, plus, altogether, add, greater, together, sum, combined, in all, increased. If you're seeing words like that, that gives you an indication straight away that we're looking at an addition problem. So those words can help to tell you that we're looking at addition word problems. Similarly, with subtraction, you'll see words like remain. So how many remain, subtract, decrease, take away, how many are left, fewer, less, difference, minus. All of those words would indicate that we are looking at a subtraction word problem. Okay? Now, just as a little practice, I want you guys to do this slide. There's a little robot that says, I have $5, my sister has $5, how much do we have all together? Okay, so just as a little practice, write the number sentence down. Remember, a number sentence is just using numbers. Okay, that's what we normally see when we're doing addition. It's kind of like the opposite of a word problem. It's pretty much saying, for an example, 1 + 1 = 2. That's an example of a number sentence. So I want you guys just to write in here the number sentence for this word problem here. What's important when we're doing word problems is to highlight important information. Okay, because sometimes they put information in word problems that don't really matter. So I'm going to do that, so just watch along with me. This one says, Joe scored 8 goals in soccer last season. This season he scored 12. He ate 2 sausage rolls after every game. How many goals did he score altogether? Now I'm going to highlight the important information, so let's do that. I'm going to use my highlighting key. First of all, his name, Joe. Do you think that's an important information? It's not really. His name could be Fred, Bob, Jim, Billy. It doesn't really matter. Okay? The important thing is that we are looking at important information, and his name doesn't matter. It says that he scored 8 goals. So I'm going to highlight that because that's important. The fact that he scored 8 goals. I'm going to just do white. And this season he scored 12. He ate 2 sausage rolls. So I'm going to highlight that, but we'll come back to it in a minute. How many goals did he score altogether? So that altogether is important. Now, we've highlighted a good amount of information. However, there is a little bit more and a little bit less that we need to have a look at. The question that's actually been asked is how many goals did he score? So I'm just going to highlight goals again because I think that's important. So we're going to look for the numbers of goals. So we can see he scored 8 goals last season. This season he scored 12. So we've got 8 and 12. He ate 2 sausage rolls. It seems like sausage rolls isn't really important information. So I'm going to remove that highlighting. Sometimes they put things like that in just to trick you. How many goals did he score altogether? So he had 8 and he had 12. So we can know that 8 plus 12 equals 20. So that's the word problem, and that is the answer. So it's really important to make sure you're only focusing on the important information when we're doing word problems. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to have a look, read these questions on these next 2 slides, and see whether they're addition or whether they are subtraction. That's up to you to decide. So addition or subtraction, just write it in the boxes. Then, on the next few slides after that, you're actually going to complete the task by writing a number sentence. So read the question carefully, write the number sentence, and then write the answer. I think there is 6, just 6 to do. And then there's an extension, there's some pretty tricky ones, okay? Don't feel like you need to do it, but if you want to have some extra challenge tasks, you can have a go at these big tricky problems as well. They're word problems. Try and work out what the question is asking and then write the number sentence. Make sure you ask your teachers if you need any help with this as well.